We're in the middle of Tennessee right now. We're here to do our third build with Tools for the Trade, and we're surprising the high school here.
Okay, I am sitting on a 2025 Harley-Davidson Nightster. This is a street bike, and myself, along with these students here in Tennessee, are going to strip this motorcycle down and turn it into a proper flat track racing motorcycle with the help of some of these legends guiding us.
The clock is ticking already. These students have a tight timeline to get this project done, so it's going to be demanding and a lot of problem solving and deadlines.
Grow the trades, it's huge, it's impactful, and obviously it's going to help fuel that next generation of builders as they come through.
Well, we're providing an opportunity for kids to learn about one of the most challenging projects in motorsports. Learning how to build a flat track motorcycle that goes faster on a dirt track. It may seem easy. It is honestly one of the most difficult things that's out there. And so having the expertise of Billy Lane and having Scotty Parker involved and Harley-Davidson and Bubba Boswell is really incredible. They're going to get a jump start on being able to learn all of the tricks of the trade. There's a lot that goes into it.
So these kids are building a flat track racer, and it's going to be jamming, throw down bad. That's just the way it is. With the group of legends that they have that are coming in to help do this, my dad did the first two builds, and that was car stuff. But as soon as I heard it was a motorcycle, I'm like, I'm in, you're out, okay? And it's not often you get to kick the king out, okay? But I got to kick him out of this one.
I think it's essential to get tools into young people's hands so they can properly learn the trades and see if there's an interest there. We're trying to expose them to all opportunities out there.
This is really great that Northern Tools putting this together to get them out and put something in their hands and actually see it when it gets done. So it's really exciting to be a part of this.
So we're highly invested in building out this next generation of trade workers and giving these kids in particular a pretty epic way to learn what a great career that could be.
It's important for us to help get people into the trades. You know, the core of our business is really making sure that we have solutions for the professionals, both current and as we look to the future, who wants to join in on where we're going. In Milwaukee, we're all about the future, and we want to make sure these students are here with us as we take it there.
Super excited. I did watch a few videos of the Monster Jam build, so I kind of have an idea of what they did, but I'm excited to see what this holds for us.
I never thought we would come here to be building a car. I had it in my mind it was going to be a Legends race car.
I think we're building some sort of like Legends race car or something similar to that, but whatever it is, I'm going to be super excited to work on it.
It's going to be hard work, but I think the kids will be up for it. It'll be a new challenge, and hopefully they'll like it a lot better than their phone.
Scott Parker, ladies and gentlemen. Well, you guys probably really don't know me, but you guys got a challenge up for you. You know, building one of these things ain't going to be easy, and you're going to have a lot of fun doing it. But I'm 9-time Grand National Champion Scott Parker. Won 94 events over my career, and you guys got your work cut out. I'm excited to see this thing when you guys get finished. I need somebody, once you get this done, to actually ride this thing. And I was thinking Kyle might be our guy that we should probably put on. What do you guys think? Kyle, put him on. Oh, there you go.
You're going to build something special. You're going to do something special. You're going to do something that you're going to remember for the rest of your life. It's going to be on your resume for the rest of your life, and you can point back and say, we did that. We did it as a team, we did it as a group, and Vergne High School is going to do it thanks to Northern Tools.
Very thankful. They've given us so much, like all of the tools, and the kids just having this experience. Today's been life-changing, I think, for the kids, and that we're excited about the connections and opportunities it's going to continue to create for each of them.
Once in a lifetime for most of them, maybe. All the kids on the build team currently have the intentions of going in on trades, whether it's welding, fabrication, pipelining, whatever it is, but working with metal in general.
Super excited. I didn't even know it was a bike. Yeah, that caught me off guard. I thought it was going to be a car.
You know, I've always heard like, oh, girls can't really get into welding and blue-collar jobs. So I was just like, you know what? I want to prove people wrong. So here I am.
And when this motorcycle will debut in June, at Billy Lane's track, not that far from here. So we're really excited to see. We're going to bring a national flat track race. It's going to be a major motorsports event that'll be televised on Fox Sports and live on Flow. And we're going to see if this bike will perform.